Hello friends, today in this video we will learn 10 examples of simple future tense. Let's start. First example, I shall go tomorrow. Second example, she will study later. Third example, they will play today. We shall win the match. He will call me. It will rain soon. I shall help you. She will sing a song. We shall travel together. He will come on Monday. Now here you need to write one example for simple future tense and comment below. So friends, this was today's video. If you like this video, then make sure to subscribe this channel.